Hello everyone, my name is Sandy Cockart and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm going to show you a neat little trick inside Windows 10, and at the end of the video you're going to get some awesome news, so stay tuned. So first of all, the thing that I wanted to share with you is something that a teacher taught me a little while ago. He came from Ubuntu and had a feature where you could have, well, multiple virtual desktops. Now I already knew that we had multiple virtual desktops in Windows. You could access that by pressing the Windows key and tab, and then go up to the top and create new virtual desktops. And it's all nice and cool, but pressing Alt tab and clicking on the desktop that you want to use all the time seemed very unusable to me. I thought it was an unfinished function. Turns out it's not unfinished. It's actually very much finished. Well, I mean, there could also be vertical desktops. Right now it's just horizontal, but anyhow. Cool thing now is that using that feature, you can actually swap between the screens relatively easily. I didn't know this at the time, but it's simply Windows key and then hold Control like at the same time, and then use arrow keys. And then you can swap between your desktops that easily. And it's stuff like this that makes turning, well, one screen into two very easy for the laptop users, or in my case, even up to 4 displays, because, well, if you got the monitor on it as well, if you do have a second display, turn your second display into a simple amount of 4 displays. Now, how cool is that? So I can keep track of my live streaming and all that stuff, have some coding on here, and I could be doing something completely else on this screen, like Photoshop or Premiere Pro. Of course, mine runs out of RAM at that point, but I really need to put it to 16 gigs. Anyhow, that's just a quick, cool little feature that I wanted to share with you. So if you have multiple Word documents open or multiple web browsers to take track of, this is a very neat little feature for you to use. And the cool thing about it is that it is sort of private. So what I mean with that is that the programs that are on that particular desktop are the only ones that you can switch between when you use Alt-Tab. So it can't see the apps on the other desktop. So as you can see, Alt-Tab doesn't work here because there's nothing on here. And then when I go to the other desktop, here I can Alt-Tab, Windows, Alt-Tab. See? So now I can still Alt-Tab, but only for the programs that are on here. And like I said, on the other one, there is no such, anything, so no Alt-Tabbing here. But yeah, it's a really cool little trick to keep track of all your programs and organize them a little bit easier and make them, well, easier to handle. Anyhow, I'm rambling on too long now. So the other news that I wanted to talk to you about is that I now have my own website, sandycockart.com. I bought a domain from GoDaddy, and with that hosting for a very good price of 14 euros. So 14 euros for an entire year of my own domain and website. After that, it's going to be expensive, but I hope to be in higher places by then. Maybe some sort of Patreon account or something of an income that allows me to keep the website up and running. But yeah, it's up right now. You can go to it. It has an awesome new innovative mobile view. So the thing that we've gotten used to with mobile is that the nav bar, even while it is a hamburger these days, is now always up on the top. But I thought, like, no. We can do this better, right? We can do this better. Like, we have tall display phones now, like the iPhone X, XS, XR, and the Samsung Galaxy 9 and 10 series, tall displays, or the new Xperia model, which is a mere 21:9 aspect ratio, super tall screen. I'm like, dude, I'm not gonna make you go reach to the top to navigate around my website, right? So what I implemented instead, if I lower the brightness a little bit, what I've implemented instead is a bottom nav bar. So pressing the bottom, and there is the nav screen, which I think is a neat little thing. And I don't know about any other sites that have this feature. But if you do know a site that has this feature, please let me know, because I'm actually quite curious. Maybe I'm a trendsetter. So, yeah, that's basically been it. Oh yeah, and if you discover any other bugs or whatever on the website, please let me know so I can correct them. There's still a lot of stuff missing. The only thing right now that's done is the introduction page. Contact page needs a little work on the top margins. Hobbies page, incomplete. It just has photography on it, but still looks cool. My work and portfolio, pretty much done, although margins could use a little work. And then there's a music tab where, well, you can basically see all my favorite music on Spotify. Anyhow, that's been it. I want to thank you guys for watching. You know the drill. For anybody new here, links are down in the links in the description below for Instagram, Twitter, and all that good stuff. And you know, join our Discord to join some to talk with more like-minded people. And yeah, I wish you all a good night. So peace.